Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make British pancakes. It is the traditional dessert for Shrove Tuesday, and it is very easy to make. Let's get started. Add a little salt to the plain flour, sift them together into the bowl, then set aside. Prepare some lukewarm milk. Add an egg to the milk, then give a good whisk. Add some melted unsalted butter to the milk. Add 1/3 of the flour at a time, then mix them well by a hand mixer. Let the pancake batter rest at room temperature for 10 minutes before cooking. Melt some unsalted butter at medium heat. When the edge becomes dark, it's time to flip the pancake. My recipe is enough to make 6 pancakes by using an 8-inch pan. To serve the pancakes, I sprinkle some caster sugar and lemon juice. You can also serve the pancakes with cherry pie filling and vanilla ice cream. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So each pancake cost me just over 60 cents. Enjoy your pancake day and thanks for watching my video.